Okay, so this is a quick introduction into using Trello. If you're new to Trello, you're going to need to know a little bit about just how to get started. And if you're not, you're probably going to know all of this already. So you could probably skip this one introductory video. The very first thing that you want to do is make this board your own, because as it is right now, this is my board, so it's going to limit you from being able to make any changes to it. So first thing you want to do is go to the very far right side of the screen and click on this. It's going to say show menu, and or it could be, if your screen is smaller, it will look a little bit different, but either the three dots or show menu. Then scroll down to more and click on that. Then when you open this part up, you're going to see copy board here. Click on that, and then you're going to get a little drop down screen, and this is going to ask you what you're planning. So think of a name that's going to work for you. You might want to just name it your why, your about me page, your website name, your name, whatever works for you, so you can find it again. If you're new to Trello, this here is going to be set to none, and so you'll want to leave it there, or you can set it to a team. And then just the other important thing here is to keep cards and also keep template cards. Those two need to be checked. So once you do that, then you're going to click on create. It's going to take just a second, and then it will populate the board for you with all these different tabs, keeping in mind there's a bunch of them over here to the right. And then you can change whatever you want. You can move things around, you can rename it, you can add a team, you can invite somebody to help you with that board, whether you have a VA or somebody that's working with you on your website. You can move these things around. But for now, this is a good start, and you'll want to tune into the next video for how to use the board.